All right, guys, it's still Thursday, and in my previous video, I said that I was going to sweep and mop and organize a few things. Well, this is the finished product of the bathroom. This is it. Put that basket on the back of the toilet with the things in there, and we've got a clean trash can now. The floor has been swept. Oh, yes, it has. It has been swept and mopped. Looks good. Looks good. Looks really, really good. Yes, it does. So this is the finishing touches. But everything looks really good. It's clean. Let's hope it stays that way. This is the shower curtain. As I said in the video, that I was going to just mop this area down here out, and I did. I did do that. So this is it, y'all. It's done. It's clean. Smells really good in here. Looks good. All right. That's it. Finished product. Bam.